that my helmet? Did you take that from my workshop?
So on the ground, I found some dragon scales and I made it myself.
Oh, well that's interesting because this is the exact same design that I've been working on for my dragon scale.
And how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I'm pretty good. I'm just trying to...
Hey, I'm here too!
I know you have a lot of experience training dragons.
I would say so.
So
Not
you-
to brag or anything.
Oh no, you can brag. I've heard the tales.
You're so cute!
Oh,
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
okay.
That's crazy.
Robert can't even be here.
And then your mama.
Oh, hey! You scared me.
Sorry, hot stuff coming through. Obviously, I'm in there.
Peace? War later?
Yeah!
Okay, check this.
Different. Everything happening.